Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to add phone number on Snapchat app on Android device. Well, knowing how to add a phone number on Snapchat allows you to connect with friends and contact more easily. And also by adding phone numbers to your Snapchat account, you can find and add friends who are already using the app. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, open Snapchat app on your device. Okay, so in this page, enter to your profile and then tap settings option at the top right corner. Well, after that, click mobile number option here, and then you can input your phone number. Okay, and then click verify option. Once the verifying process is finished, so now your phone number is successfully added to your Snapchat account. Well, that's the tutorial on how to add a phone number on Snapchat app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.